Hey guys, welcome to my room tour. What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cora. So for today's video I am doing the very highly requested room tour. If you don't already know, I am a college student. I am currently a junior and I go to the University of Wisconsin-Whitewater. I live off campus in a house with 4 of my other really close friends. So today is going to be a room tour of just my room. I didn't want to do the entire house because honestly I didn't want to invade my roommate's privacy, and the interesting part is my room because that's what you guys mainly see in my videos. So without further ado, let's just jump into my room tour. Okay, so welcome to my room. This is the door that I walk in on, and then right away here is my closet. So this curtain is from Urban Outfitters. Let me just say before I mention everything, I will link every single product in my room that I'm talking about today down below for you guys to buy the same thing so that we can twin, but some of the products are obviously older, so I'll just try to link as much stuff as I can. So this is from Urban Outfitters, and this is my closet door because my closet does not come with a door. I do not know why. Once we open my closet, obviously I have all of my clothes in here, and then I have some storage up top. I have the smallest closet out of all my roommates, unfortunately, because I probably have the most clothes. But yes, I also put my dresser in here because my room is not that big. So yeah, that's pretty much all for my closet, and we'll move on over here. Over here, I just have this circular shelf. This was in my college room decor haul. This is from Target. It was around $5, I believe, in the dollar section. Up here, I just have some artificial plants from Hobby Lobby, a mini cactus from Target, and then 2 Polaroids with their frames. Those are from Starbucks, actually. And then right here, before I forget, next to my light switch, I have this little hanging magnetic key holder. So this is magnetic, as you can see, and it holds a lot of weight because my keys are pretty heavy. This is from Amazon, and I absolutely love it. I actually found it off TikTok, so shout out to TikTok. Okay, now if we come over here to my desk area, obviously we have my desk. I actually found this on the side of the street. Yeah, I haven't really repainted it or anything. I just kind of wanted to leave it how it was. I tried to get rid of all the stains, but it didn't really work out that well. But I did not want to buy a brand new one just for college. And then over here on my desk chair, well, on my desk chair right here, I actually put this new cushion in. It was like a really old cushion, and I just got some fabric from Hobby Lobby and redid it. And then up here, the big piece we have is my mirror. This is also from Hobby Lobby, and all the artificial flowers around it are from Hobby Lobby as well. They were in like larger bouquets, and I just cut them into smaller pieces and taped them to my wall. And then on my desk, we have this stapler right here. This is from Target. And then we have my lamp, which is also from Target. We have this little jewelry dish, which has all my hoop earrings and a few necklaces. That is actually from Goodwill. And then this mini cactus is from IKEA. And this is actually a little elephant charger. It charges your phone when you set it on there. It's Bluetooth, and that is from Amazon. I absolutely love it. And then over here, I just have a little mini trash can next to my desk. And that is actually from my grandpa. So I cannot link that down below for you guys. And then moving on over here, we have this little cart with all of my makeup, tech stuff, things like that. So this little crate in here is from Amazon, and then this entire cart is from Target. I actually spray painted it white. It used to be gray, but I wanted it white, so I redid it. And then I'm not gonna show you all the products, but I just have my makeup, hair stuff right here, then tech stuff like filming equipment, and then my laptop and iPad. And then coming over here, we have the corner of my room, which has an artificial plant, a coat rack, and then also this little picture frame. So starting right here, this picture frame is from Walmart, and the actual print in it is from Amazon. I absolutely love it. It came in a pack of like 10, I think, and it was really inexpensive. So definitely, I'll link that down below for you guys. And then right here on my coat rack, I got this coat rack from Amazon as well. I think it is so cute. And I'm not gonna name where all of the pieces of clothing are from. They're from a ton of different stores, but the hangers are from Amazon as well. And then right over here in the corner, like I said, I have this artificial plant. This is from Hobby Lobby, and so is the pot. And then coming over here to the other corner of my room, we have my mirror area where I take pictures and look at my outfits in the morning before I leave for class. So this mirror is from Target, and this light actually lights up. Let me show you guys. So as you can see, that plug lights up the lights above, which are all from Amazon. They're my absolute favorite. They were very tricky to hang up and they are glass, so hopefully they do not fall. We've been all good for about 2 weeks now. But yes, these are from Amazon. And then this little cloud light is also from Amazon as well. I think it is so cute. My friend Katie, who's actually filming this video, got it for me. And then obviously right here, I cannot link this down below for you guys. This is my YouTube play button plaque. When I reached 100,000 subscribers, I got this plaque and I hung it up right here. I think it goes really well with the mirror because they're both silver. And then coming down here, we have a little rug and a basket and a little artificial plant. So starting with the plant, this is actually from Walmart. And then this rug is from Amazon. It's really small, but I think it's really cute. And then this basket over here, this is my extra blanket. That is from Amazon. And then the basket is really old. I honestly don't know where it's from. You could probably get something similar from Amazon or Target. And then coming over here, I have my little bedside table. Like I mentioned before, my room isn't that big, so I got a little crate to use as a bedside table. So this crate is actually from Michael's. And then all this stuff down here is kind of just for show. So I have this little seed that is from Ross. The little IKEA plant came in a pack of 3. It's from IKEA. And then my Polaroid is from Amazon. And this little planner is from Target. And then I actually have a mirror back there. And I just put it back there for decor because I didn't really have anywhere else to put it. And that is from IKEA. And then on top of my bedside table, I just have this little jewelry dish or jewelry mirror. I don't really know what it's called. This was actually an heirloom from my grandma. So I cannot link that down below for you guys. And then I have this little night light. This is from Urban Outfitters. It's a corgi light. And then this little plant is from Target. And my water bottle is actually from Amazon. And then before I forget to mention, these little lights right here are mini seashell lights. These are from Amazon. They have like 100 different settings, but I basically just use the still setting. But yes, these are from Amazon. I think they're so cute. And then coming over here to what takes a majority of my room up is my bed. So I have a full-size bed. I didn't want to get a queen because, like I mentioned 100 times, my room isn't that big. So my actual mattress and mattress frame are both from Amazon. They were super inexpensive, so I will definitely link those down below. Definitely recommend my mattress. It's so comfortable. This blanket right here is from Urban Outfitters, and these 2 larger pillows are also from Urban Outfitters, and then this throw pillow in the front is from Target. And then down below here, I actually keep a ton of storage bins under here just with all of my clothes because my closet is so small, so that's not very interesting. But all those bins are from Walmart and they're great for storage. And then lastly, coming up here, I have my floating shelf. This is one of my favorite parts of my room. I think it is so cute. So the floating shelf is 36 inches, it's plain white, and it is from Target. And then all of these plants up here are from Target except for this mini cactus one that is from IKEA. And then my little gold elephant is from the dollar section of Target, but it's pretty old and I actually spray painted it gold. It was originally pink. And then both of these 2 frames are from Walmart, and this print is one of the prints that came in the pack from Amazon that I mentioned before. And then this little art drawing, my friend Bridget actually made that for me. It's so cute. Definitely check out her Instagram. And then lastly, my little clock is from IKEA, and that cute gold mirror is from Amazon. Coming over here, this is the last item in my room. This is my hamper. This I think is so cute. It really fits the aesthetic of my room, I guess you could say. And this is from Target. It is pretty old, so I don't know if I'll be able to find it for you guys, but I know they have a similar one at IKEA that I will link down below. Okay, and that concludes my 2020 room tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're watching this, I love you. Thank you so much for all the love and support. We just hit 150K subscribers a few days ago, and I'm so freaking grateful. Thank you so much. Words cannot describe how much you guys mean to me. With that being said, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned for the next one. Okay, we're over it. Bye! Oh my god, I'm literally dripping. I'm like sweating so bad.